So we understand how to make problems based on the third formula, right? So the formula is 1 plus cot squared theta is cosecant squared theta, and we could write 4 types of problems which can be asked in substitution problems and differentiation. So that goes like, if at all I can separate cot theta, that is cosecant square theta minus 1, and cot, or I can just write theta is what, cot inverse of root of 1 cosecant square theta minus 1. So from this I can write a formula or a problem like y is equal to cot inverse of root of x squared minus 1, okay? Or I can write y is equal to cot inverse of root of any function whole squared minus 1. All right, so let us write that. So based on, I can say 1 plus cot squared theta is cosecant squared theta, they can ask questions like y is equal to cot inverse of root of, I can write x squared minus 1, and y is equal to cot inverse root of a function squared minus 1. These are the 2 things, all right? Now if I can separate cosecant squared here, I can just write cosecant squared theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Based on this, I can write cosecant theta is what? Cosecant theta is root of 1 plus cot square theta, or theta is what? Cosecant inverse of root of 1 plus cot square theta. So they can ask questions like y is equal to cosecant inverse of root of 1 plus x squared, right? So here x would become what? X would become cot theta, the substitution part. So they can also write, I can write y is equal to cosecant inverse of root of 1 plus x squared, can be a function where x has to take the value of what? Cot theta. Or I can write y is equal to cosecant inverse of root of 1 plus any function whole squared. Okay, so y is equal to cosecant inverse of root of 1 plus a function whole squared. Okay, these are the 4 general formats of questions which can be formed using this formula. So far we understood from the discussion that if at all the first formula, that is sin squared plus cos squared, is 1, what can they ask? All right, so they can only frame 4 kinds of questions: this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. We discussed this in detail in the previous sections. So fine, we understood the basic 3 formulas: this guy, this guy, and this guy. Let us go ahead and see what are the more trigonometric formulas based on which they can make differentiation problems. Okay.